Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the duPont Registry Scraper by ParsForge, which you can find on Apify. It's used to collect detailed luxury vehicle listings, including pricing, specs, dealer information, and media assets. This actor pulls structured data from the duPont Registry, one of the leading luxury vehicle marketplaces. It collects vehicle identity details like make, model, year, pricing info, specs, dealer contacts, etc. It's useful for dealers, analysts, collectors, and anyone doing market research on high-end vehicles. So, how does it work? There's two ways to make this work. One, you can specify each filter on the inputs you see in this page, or we can copy a URL. Let me show you the URL. Let's say you want to scrape some data about Ferraris for sale. You can select here any model you want, any of the filters. You can choose the mileage, the year, any conditions. And once you've set up all of your filters, you simply copy the URL. And you paste it in here. And you click Start. Now, we let the actor do its magic. After the run finishes, the results appear in this dataset table on the Output tab. Each row represents a luxury vehicle listing with pricing, mileage, specs, dealer details, and the listing's URL. You'll also see financing offers, dealer contact information, images, and performance specs when available. Each record includes a timestamp showing when the data was collected. You can also export this as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. It makes it easy to analyze pricing trends, track inventory, build market reports, or integrate with internal tools. This scraper is ideal for luxury vehicle research, competitive analysis, and inventory intelligence using duPont registry data. That's how the duPont Registry Scraper works. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this actor, go ahead and leave us a review. Thank you.